Rocky, what the hell is wrong with you? It is morning, don't you know you have to get up for school?
No, I can't be Monday already. I feel like today is Saturday. No, I don't want to go to school. I want to stay at home.
No, Rocky, today is Monday, and you are going to school whatever, you like it or not. Now get you butt out of the bed, and get ready for school right freaking now.
Fine.
Okay class, today we will be doing English.
Miss Gate, can I use the bathroom, real quick?
No Rocky, we are going to start our lesson.
But Miss Gate, I need it really bad. If you don't let me go, I will pee my pants.
Fine Rocky, but you have 5 minutes to be in the toilet.
You know what? I will ring the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Don't worry everyone, I'm going to see if there's fire inside. So, there's no fire in the building, so someone had ring the fire alarm. So whoever had ring the fire alarm, their parents have to pay £5,000, so goodbye.
Oh my god, the fire alarm went off, and we had to leave the building and go outside. Who could have done this?
Can Rocky report to my office, please?
Yes, what's wrong?
So Rocky, I saw in the security cameras you have ring the fire alarm. So is this true? Did you ring the fire alarm? Tell me right now.
Yes, I ring the fire alarm.
Oh. Rocky, how dare you ring the fire alarm on my school? Now your parents have to pay £5,000, so because of this, you are expelled. Now get out.
Oh, Rocky, how dare you ring the fire alarm on your school? Now you are expelled and we are going to have to pay £5,000. Now we are so mad at you. You are grounded for 9876 years. Now go to your room right now.